Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by securing your data and ensuring activation will succeed. First, back up to iCloud or use Finder on a Mac. This preserves photos, messages, and settings. Once done, sign out of your Apple ID in Settings so activation lock is removed. Make sure the iPhone is on charger or above 50% battery to avoid interruptions. Now go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone and choose Erase All Content in Settings to start the wipe process. You're now in the critical middle phase where confirmations matter. After tapping Erase All Content in Settings, iOS asks you to confirm by entering your device passcode and then your Apple ID password. This prevents unauthorized wipes. If Find My iPhone still shows active, sign out or disable it to avoid activation lock. Once you confirm, the iPhone will display progress and reboot. This can take several minutes while internal storage is securely wiped and system files are restored to factory defaults. Finish by following on-screen setup, choosing to restore from your backup or setup is new. You'll understand why you signed out of Apple ID to avoid activation lock during setup. If the iPhone asks for a previous Apple ID, sign in with that account. If the erase stalls or the device is stuck on the Apple logo, put the iPhone into recovery mode and restore via Finder or iTunes. If that fails, contact Apple support for guided recovery. Keep your backup handy in case you need to restore.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.